Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day in paradise. This is where we stopped last night. We were almost finished up with this front bumper and it got too late. I got too tired and I kind of started messing things up. Unfortunately, right now it's way too cold in the shop to start vinyl wrapping, so I need to get a fire started, get it probably about at least 50 degrees in here, and we can finish out that front bumper. We just finished up the bumper. It turned out pretty good. The only place I don't like is down here. You can see the massive color difference right there, and then that doesn't really line up because that had to be an overlay. So I'm definitely gonna have to figure something else out on this side on how to do all that. I don't know if anyone's gonna notice from a distance, and I'll probably completely forget about it. Other than that though, it turned out really nice. All the black cut off in here looks super clean. I'm pretty pumped on how that came out. Before we start working on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the side skirt back on. This underboard is a little bit faded and it's pretty freaking dirty. So I need to clean it up. And I think I'm gonna use some of the Cerakote trim coat on it. I don't know if it's gonna work on that kind of plastic. It's really textured. But I'm gonna give it a shot because up in here where you can see it sticking out, it doesn't look all that good. We are all done with the snow camo half wrap. Well, I guess done with everything except for the hood. Let's go check out this hood. I don't know if there's any auto body people that watch this channel, but if there is, I need your help on something. I've never really repaired fiberglass in my life. Everything on this hood is pretty easy to fix. All that is super simple. That is just like paint work there. The one thing I'm worried about though, and honestly I don't really care about the paint because it's gonna be wrapped anyway. I do plan on painting it myself, so we'll see how that goes. One thing I'm worried about though is how it's separating on this edge. How would you properly fix that? If anyone knows, drop a comment down below. I want it to last. I don't want it separating again after I get it wrapped. So if you know, please help me out. Much love. I know everyone is dying to see what color we are wrapping the other half of the Evo. This is a color I've been wanting to do for a very long time. It's pretty much since I half wrapped it snow camo. I've always wanted to do the other side this exact color. And I'm so freaking pumped I'm finally able to do it. Let's go where I hid the vinyl and check it out. So this here is what we are doing the other side. It's 100% opposite of the passenger side. This is like urban night camo, and I think it's gonna look super sick. It's like gonna be like half white camo, half black camo, and I think that is gonna look so dope, especially with the red. Red on black always looks so good. I don't know if y'all remember my 06 STI had black with the red wheels. It looked dope. If you are freaking pumped for this vinyl like I am, go smash that thumbs up button. Oh yeah, that is gonna look so freaking nice. The one thing I am a little bit worried about is seeing how the car is white. I've never gone from like a white car or a colorful car to a severely different color. On the FRS it's easy because it's black or really dark gray underneath, so you don't need to tuck way down in there to hide all the black. I think on this car I'm gonna go panel by panel. I know it's not all gonna match up perfectly. I'd rather have the vinyl wrap not match up versus seeing white on all the edges. You see how everything on this side lines up though? It's because we did this whole side in one sheet, but if I did that, then I feel like you'd see all the white inside the jams, which I ain't cool with. The first thing we're gonna do is just run through and clay mate the whole driver's side of the car, just so we don't have to mess around with that later. I don't wanna go panel by panel clay mating and then wrapping. I'm just gonna do the whole side at once, and then we can get to vinyl wrapping. We are all done cleaning the car. Let's move on to the disassembly. So we're gonna pull off the side skirt, tail light, that little bracket right there, some of the seals around the windows, the door handles we gotta pull off, that blinker, and the headlight. This is where we are. Complete car is torn apart. Got the wheels off, all of those seals off, pretty much every single thing we need to remove. I did kind of rethink it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead, slap this whole side down in one panel. I don't think I'm gonna like it all that much if every single thing is mismatched. I should be able to tuck in the edges enough to not see the white, but if I do, I guess I could go back through later, like say up through here. If I can see some white, I'll just run knifeless tape right here and slap some all black vinyl down. Let's get to cleaning this thing up and bust out the wrap. We've already gone through like 2 or 3 times cleaning up all of the jams in the main body of the car. I have the isopropyl alcohol in the squirt bottle, makes it a little bit easier. I'm gonna run through one last time, make sure it's 100% spotless. And yeah, we're gonna be laying this whole side of the car down in one panel. Wish me luck, boys. This might be a little bit difficult. I did it before, but it was white on white, so it was a little bit not as tricky. This is where we stand right now. Fender's complete, doors are complete, quarter panel is complete. We just have to finish up this top cut up top near the roof, that top pillar up there, and then some stuff up through here. Like I thought, you do see a little bit of white when the door is closed. Well, it's not closed right now, but you'll see that white streak right there. So I think I may slap some vinyl down in there. Another day when I get some free time, it'll be a quick and easy job. But other than that, yeah, it's turning out really, really nice. I really freaking dig this color. Well, from here, it's just a matter of throwing the car back together. We got to do the end fender, wheels, all the seals. I still have to wrap the gas lid and the door handles for this side. And then from there, it's just bumpers, skirts, and trunk. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day right here. We got a ton of work done on the Evo 10 today. I'm super pumped with how it's turning out. Like I was saying earlier, the red on the darker pops so hard. The only thing I need to do is just fix these jams because I don't like how you can see the white in there. I don't know how you get around that with having the camo match up. I guess you'd have to just like inlay all the door jams first and wrap all that, but Should be a pretty easy fix. Some other day though, not today. Tomorrow we should get all the bumpers done, pretty much the rest of the car done except for the hood. Drop a comment down below if you have any idea on how to fix the separating hood so we can get the thing fixed up, get it wrapped, get it painted, get it wrapped, get it on the car, and have a 100% complete Evo 10. I'm freaking pumped to get this thing done. It's looking so good. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.